You've been there, girl. It's time to show the world. You've been it. Time to pop your Hey y'all, it's Lexx the Gemini and I'm back here with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be putting together 2 balloon arches for my little brother's baby shower. And so right here, I'm just going to put all of the letters together for Twinkle Little Star that will be on the backdrop. And I'm going to thread the ribbon through with the needle so it can all be standing up together and go across the back of the backdrop. So my babies are going to help me a little bit today. Lyric is my oldest and Libby is my youngest. And you have to forgive Liberty's hair today because she did not let me get finished with it last night. So the inside of it is done and the outside looks crazy. But just forgive the wild child today. We're going to get through this and then do her hair once we get done decorating the baby shower. And y'all, Libby is such a mama's baby. So she's going to come over to me like a million times in this video and tap on me or grab on me, hold on to my leg or something. And actually, let's record how many times she actually comes over to me in this video. And put it down in the comment section below. And also, I know you all see that band-aid on my finger. Please remember, when you're doing these balloon arches, if you're going to blow them up and actually tie them yourself, if you're not using like the assisted help little thingy that helps you do the tying part, I don't know the name of it, but they actually have those, and I don't have one. I had one that came with my kit, but I lost it. So either use the rubber fingertip things that go on your fingertips, or wrap your fingers with band-aids or use gloves. Because last night when I was prepping for today and just blowing up all the balloons and stuff, I literally burned or rubbed off a layer of my skin on my index finger, and it hurt so bad. So that's just a FYI. And also, I had to stop blowing them up last night, and so you're gonna see us in this video start blowing up more once we got done with all the rest of the balloons that we did blow up last night. So now we've already put all of the ones that we have already pre-blown up before we got here today together. And now my brother and Lyric are back there blowing up balloons and tying them up so I can make more clusters and add them to the top part of the arch. And I know y'all see my baby back there blowing up them balloons. I'm so proud of her. I'm gonna take her to Five Below so she can pick whatever she wants. And I'm going to give y'all this one. That's Libby back there behind that balloon. You just can't see her face, but she's definitely back there holding on to me. Okay, so now we're moving on to the second arch. And with this one, you get to see me do it from start to finish. And you get to see me adding the clusters together, tying them up, and everything. And with this, I want to say with doing a balloon arch, it's important that once you put your ribbon through, you see me kind of pushing down on the balloons. You have to make sure that you kind of like tighten it down so you don't have too many spaces and gaps where you can see the ribbon through. Now, sometimes you definitely will see it, and sometimes it's something that's kind of unavoidable. So that's when I go in and kind of fill in those areas. But with this arch, I really didn't have to fill in too much at all. And that's because I pushed down kind of tight on that section as soon as I got done. And it's not, you don't push down too tight. And I know they're balloons, so you may feel a little cautious about pushing down on them. But you just give them a little tug. You push it down and you pull the ribbon at the top, and it'll make those balloons like squeeze in tighter and closer to each other so you don't see the ribbon in between. And right here, I'm opening up the string of stars because I'm actually going to wrap them around this balloon arch. And it came out so cute. And I'm glad that I had this idea midway in between figuring out what I was going to do with these stars. I didn't know if I was going to hang them on a backdrop or, put them on a table. I didn't know what I was going to do with it. So I'm really glad that I had this idea because it just made it pop even more. And then I also taped those gold foil balloons as well. Alrighty, y'all. So this is the final product. And I was so proud of myself and how this came out. It was so pretty. And I'm really getting way better. I haven't done a lot of these arches, but every one that I do, I get better and better. So that's how I know once I continue to build up my portfolio and get more customers and everything, it's gonna be super fire. Thank y'all for watching, and remember, you've been her, you've been him, and I love y'all, and ain't nothing you can do about it.